In this video, we'll demonstrate how to always turn off your microphone on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to always turn off your microphone on the PlayStation 5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. If you're using the controller microphone, it may already be activated. To mute it, press the PlayStation button, open the screen, scroll to the microphone icon, and select Mute to silence all microphones. Alternatively, pressing the button below the PlayStation button will automatically mute or unmute the microphone when held down. For further control, navigate to Sound and select Game Mute Voice Chat to mute other players' voices during gaming sessions. To prevent the controller microphone from activating when you log in, access Settings, then Sound, and proceed to Microphone. Choose Microphone Status when logged in, and select Mute. This setting ensures that the microphone remains muted when logging into your PlayStation 5, eliminating the need to manually mute the controller. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative tech videos. Thank you for watching. For additional tech insights, visit mediamagnetguide.com.